In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create an index under a particular app in Splunk. Of course, we have created in the previous sessions, we just created randomly. Let's say now they are asking you to create it under a specific app directory, right? So how do you create it? It's the same way. It's not a different from the previous ways. Just like for a use case, we are keeping it. So if you want to create it under a particular, because in your environments, real-time environment, they will be asking you to create it in a particular app. You should also do the same. You should not directly go ahead and create it in a random place. You should have a app specific to your use case and then create it. So in any index, you need to create it under the etc apps directory. You need to find your app name. For example, my app is your app means, then you need to go inside this my app and then go to the local folder, and in that local folder create an indexes.conf or edit the index.conf and append the index names. For example, let's say this is my custom index. I want to create it under search and reporting app, right? So I can copy this and you can go to the backend. Yeah, already into the backend. Let me clear it. So I need to go to opt Splunk etc apps search app and go to the local. Okay, if there is a indexes.conf already present, that is fine. You can open that index.conf and you can append the index. You see there are a lot of indexes already created. Scroll to the, navigate to the bottom and go to the end, click on insert mode and then paste the index. Okay, make sure that all lines are pasted. Like if the lines are not pasted, it won't be working properly. So I'm just saving this and then I'm restarting it. And if you are creating it from the indexes.conf file, you have to restart the Splunk. Restart, yeah. So restart is, yeah, being triggered. Let's wait for the restart. Okay, it is restarted. So now let's go to the front end and check if the index is reflecting admin and your password. Okay. So let's go and check what is the custom, right? Custom. Yeah, you see my custom index is created. It is under the app search. So let's say like I want to create a new custom index from the UI also. When I'm creating the new index, I can just paste it here. I can say 2. And if you scroll down here, you have app drop down. So you see here you can, based on your expectation, you can select a different app. So for now I'm leaving it as a search and reporting app. Now if I just start clicking on save, and what it is saying, yeah, so it is saying like there is a, the retention policy is illegal because the hash 30 days is there. Like in the backend, I don't, we should not put hash. So let me fix that hash. So vi indexes.conf, because when in your indexes.conf and all, for the value you should not put this hash and all. So that's the reason it is complaining. Let me remove this. Yeah, and then for the above also I'll remove this. Yeah, I'll save it and I can restart. Okay, maybe before doing that, let me just create the index and see if it is coming. Search and reporting. Yeah, again it's because it is in the memory, right? So that's the reason it is. So now we need to restart and then it will work. But yeah, I don't want to restart it now. You can give it a try because it is taking time. So yeah, this is how you can create an app from the UI as well as from the backend for that